Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Welcome to 6th Standard English class. I hope all are safe by God's grace. Today we are going to see about the topic composition exercise, creative writing and picture composition. What is creative writing? Creative writing is writing that involves the imagination and invention in form and content. It means fiction, poetry and drama. The fiction may be long or short, the poetry may take many different forms, and the drama may be for the stage or the movies or television. Uses made up materials of one kind or another. Definition: creative writing. Writing typically fiction or poetry which displays imagination or invention. Literature: written works, especially those considered of superior or lasting artistic merit. Story: an account of imaginary or real people and events told for entertainment. What is picture writing called? Picture composition. These pictures and drawings are usually considered to be a forerunner of true writing and are characterized by stereotyped execution and by omission of all details not necessary for the expression of the communication. Picture composition. Here the students are required to give an account of what the picture suggests them. Following points should be taken care of while writing an account of the picture. First, introduction. A brief introduction of the picture, what it suggests and its effects on the people and the environment. Second point, body or context. The ideas and thoughts that the student receives from the picture should be mentioned and linked in a correct and meaningful sequence. Third point, conclusion. Bringing the composition to an end with carefully rounding off the thoughts, feelings, and returning to the specific subject. Points to be kept in mind while writing a picture composition. The content chosen must be directly related to the given picture while attempting picture composition. The students must maintain the connection and the focus between the picture and the content. The full structure of the composition should be analyzed in the mind before starting the writing based on picture. As the word link is going to range between 40 to 30 words of the students of 6th standard, the students must try to spread out of his ideas so that there is variety of ideas in his composition. Use of simple language and imagination is required. Logical expressions of the entire idea based on the picture will make it an effective composition. Okay children, take your English composition note. Exercise number 6. Date 13/10/2021. Heading: creative writing or picture composition. Left side of the page, creative writing heading. Describe the picture in about 50 words and give a suitable title. Already first term book gets over, so you will use of this picture. First unit, last page of the lesson. Sea turtle lesson, last page, this picture. Fish, ocean world. And next tree lesson, last page of the lesson, take this picture, greedy man. Right hand side of the page, write date, exercise number 6, center of the line, write creative writing, topic ocean world. There are many sea animals in the ocean. They are beautiful and wonderful in varied sizes, shapes, and structure. The fishes are in different colors and are of different varieties. Many rare species of fishes are found in deep sea. Most corals and exotic species are under the sea. Next picture, topic greedy man. Man needs oxygen to live. A man cuts trees for his needs, but one day he realizes that there is no good air to survive. The man needs oxygen cylinder. He pays the fees of cutting down trees. Creative writing, picture composition. Some more examples. Describe the picture in about 50 words and give a suitable title. Make use of the words or phrases given below. Some of the words in the bracket: children, playing, park, boy, hand in hand, colorful, flowers, wheel, girls, performed. Title: theme park. There are children playing in a theme park. Two girls are playing by the swing, each hand in hand. A boy is playing with a colorful boy. So, children are playing on the giant wheel. A circus show is also being performed there. The park is full of trees and flowers. Next picture. Some of the phrases or words in the bracket: activities, classroom, student, building, discussing, everyone, useful, answer, skit. Suitable title: drawing class. Answer: these children are doing various activities with enthusiasm outside their classroom. A student is drawing and two other students are playing with the building blocks. Three children are enacting a skit. There are four children sitting and discussing about their activity. Everyone is busy doing something useful. Answers. Third picture. Some of the words in the bracket: monkey, picture, entrance, snakes, people, animals, welcome, bears, lions. Suitable title: zoo. Answer: this is a zoo. There are plenty of animals seen in the picture. I can see monkey, elephants, lions, rabbits, giraffe, snakes, bears, tigers, and birds. They are all at the entrance of the zoo. I can see some animals on top of the board zoo. It seems that they are all ready to welcome the people who visit the zoo. Okay, children, in today's class, write in your composition exercise, creative writing. There are only two pictures. Write in your composition note. I hope all are watching this video class and PDF link. Today's assignment: read and write given composition exercise in your English composition note. First, write in your index page. After, write middle of the page. Write in cursive style and neat presentation. Watch the YouTube video link till you understand. Complete the given assignment and report on time without fail. Take care, children. Thank you.